here? Well, let's go paint a mountain, okay? I'll meet you over at the easel. And here we go. Time to give ourselves a mountain here, okay? Now, the sun's coming from behind. Okay, so we're going to give ourselves just a slight reduction in the brightness of the color. Okay, we're going to take it down like that. Okay, and there will be a few dark spots like that in it. Okay, there will be a few dark spots. Okay, and as we get down here, we're just going to come down like this. Okay, we're just going to come down like this. Okay, now we'll put some water with the acrylic. Okay, we just kind of blend her all up pretty like that. Okay, we'll just kind of blend it all up pretty, and we'll just let it go away right down here. Okay, that's what we want it to go away. Okay, we'll put a little here and a little there. Now, for the other side, this is where the highlight is. So we're going to take some white, a little bit of yellow, and a little bit of orange, and we're just going to brighten it up just like that. Okay, we're just going to take that out just like that. And now we've got just some straight white here and there on both sides. There we go. Our mountain has taken shape. Okay, now be with me tomorrow, and we'll do some more work on the mountain, and we'll get to going on what is down here. Okay? Be with me tomorrow. Be sure to like, subscribe, follow, hit the link, leave comments, and let Ann and I know what's going on. And remember that we love you. We love you. We love you. And presto, we have a mountain. Be with me tomorrow, and we'll take it a little bit further, okay? And remember that Ann and I love you. We love you. We love you. We love you.